Good morning students. Welcome in SST class. Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, today we will continue with our chapter number 4, Environment. Take a look around. There are many things like houses, mountains, rivers. We see different kind of vehicles moving on the road. Animals. We see different kinds of animals and birds. We human beings are also part of environment. Now we will do a little comparison between a stone and a bird. A stone does not move. It remains where it is. It does not eat. That's why it does not grow bigger. It does not have babies. Whereas a bird build nest for their babies. They move, they eat, that's why they grow. They lay eggs in its nest, and these eggs, the little birds hatches from these eggs. Now the question raised, why we do this comparison? Dear student, we do this comparison to learn that in environment we see two types of group. In our environment consists of two types of group. Living things and non-living things Living things example मैंने अभी आपको दिया is bird, and non-living thing stone. There are so many examples of non-living things like table, chair, pen, copy, bag, and there are many examples of living things also like human being, birds, animals, plants. All these things are living things. Now, dear student, we get everything from the environment we need. Like we need food, and we get food from plants and animals. We need water, and we get water from rain. We build our shelters from wood, and we get this wood from trees. And we also need oxygen, and we get this oxygen from plants. So it is our duty to keep our environment neat and clean, because environment is very important for us. But in reality we are not doing so. We make our environment dirty and unhealthy. We throw garbage here and there. For example, we throw plastic bottles here and there. This pollute our environment. Now we will learn the meaning of pollution. Pollution means something has been made impure and dirty. Pollution means something has been made impure and dirty. Dear student, in this chapter we will also learn 4 types of pollution. Now we will learn first type of pollution. The first type of pollution is air pollution. Dear student, air pollution causes when harmful gases mix with air. For example, smoke of vehicles and smoke from factories. This causes air and causes air pollution. Now we will learn about land pollution. Land pollution. But our land pollution causes when we throw garbage in the open. It pollutes our land. It is also known as soil pollution. It is also known as soil pollution. And third is noise pollution. Third is noise pollution. This type of pollution causes from loud noise. For example, if we listen music and loud voice, honking vehicle cause this type of pollution known as noise pollution. And next is water pollution. Next is water pollution. Dear student, water gets polluted when we take bath or wash utensils in water bodies. And it also causes if we throw industrial waste. If we throw industrial waste water into water bodies. So we learn 4 types of pollution. First is air pollution, second is land pollution, third is noise pollution, and fourth is water pollution. So beta, we should keep our environment neat and clean. It is our duty to keep our environment neat and clean. So now the question raised, what can we do to save our environment? We can do many things to save our environment. Let us learn about the things which we can do to save our environment. Dear student, first thing is grow more trees. Grow more trees. We should plant more and more trees. That's why we give you homework in holidays to plant 5 plants. Second is save water. Save water. All the human beings, birds and animals cannot live without water. So it's our duty to save water and we should not waste water. Third, say no to plastic. Say no to plastic. Beta, we should say no to plastic. In the place of plastic, we should use paper bags or cloth bag. Next is walk or use a cycle. Walk or use a cycle for short distance. For short distance, all of you can use a cycle or we should walk for short distance. Next is, we should not burst. Don't don't burst fire crackers, because firecrackers produce two types of pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. So beta, now revise this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.